So this is a vlog about getting things fixed. So the plan is to put more wood into the holes, so we've got something better to fix to. I think it should work. I have come to do jobs.
Carpet.
Yeah. I am not a professional carpet fitter. Do you trust me?
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't.
My dad.
So Farah's now had her new beautiful wardrobes fitted, but we have a dilemma. The brand new carpet had to be pulled back, and we can either pay a professional carpet fitter to come back and do it for us, or we can have a go ourselves. And everybody seems to have voted for the latter. So let's go! Well, Farah, I've got all of the carpet grippers down. Now comes the scary bit. Time to cut the carpet. I think we might do a test. I've just realised I'm going to have to take the door off. Time to see how easy this stuff is to cut. So I'm just procrastinating for a second. Build up the courage. You think I was about to jump off a cliff? Time to commit. I hope I don't mess this up. So a slight change of plan, but I think it's going to be better. I'm going to trim off a big chunk of the excess. I definitely feel more confident after the test cut. So that's still a little bit long, which is a lot better than being a little bit short. Not too bad. Damn it. One more thing to fix. We're heading into Leeds to do something special, aren't we, Farah? What are we doing? Fixing Farah's iPhone. She dropped it on the concrete and it's cracked. Cool, thank you.
So are you from here?